here we are, day 3, Loch Moray car park, and looking over at those hills, a totally different environment to last March. So we're going to try and clip off those that we couldn't do last year because of the avalanche risk, and the day's been a bit of a gift really compared to yesterday with the sort of gale force winds and heavy rain that we experienced in the afternoon. Today's meant to be fairly clear. There's a slight chance of a bit of a snow flurry later on, but we're hoping we're going to be all right. So yeah, day 3, feeling all right. Had a good night's sleep last night, but feeling it a little bit. But John's all nice and fresh, and bless him, he's carrying the first aid kit and the bothy, so top marks there. Right, let's crack on. First summit of the day, and she's a beauty. Ah, John just spotted a snow bunting. Third and final summit of the day. What a view. A beautiful view, but can you imagine what it'd be like if you were looking down on forest? Natural Caledonian forest. That would be beautiful. Still nice though. So we got across the river because we need to be over that side. So it looks like we're gonna have to, well, ford it. It should be fun. Death slide. We're gonna go with the death slide. Really hope it doesn't go wrong. That's it, mate. Just take your time, steady yourself. That's it, dude. That's it. Beautiful. That's the worst bit over with now, mate. The wobbliest bit. I don't know what it is with John, this area and crazy river crossings. I think I preferred the frozen lake. Beautiful, mate. Oh. Nicely done. Well, that was fun. And we're across. And it was actually a lot better than we thought, so hey. Bit of adventure. Can't beat it. Did a leap of faith at the end. Just onto that nolly bit in front of you. Not that bit, as in I just went onto it. Yeah. Put my poles in and sort of cantilever it over. Just like that. Often, even with the best of planning, you forget something. I forgot my coffee. And I saved for hill days. Therefore, no coffee. Ow. Never mind. Well, that's camp away, and on the road again, heading into the wind and rain, which seems a bit of a theme of day 2: wind, rain, and walking into it. But hey, that's a lot of the fun. Let's go. Highlands this. You wouldn't believe it. They've just been walking for like 4 hours in wind-blown rain. Well, mainly anyway. Hit down in this little valley and it's just tranquil. Spring has sprung. I love it. So here we are, end of another stonking trip to the Highlands. Real great 4 days of backpacking. Today has been a really hard but enjoyable walk out of Glen Loch. It's been a great satisfying thing to come back here as we promised to do and finish the Munros that we couldn't do last year due to that snow in the Beast from the East too. The Munros were great, set kind of like a roller coaster going up and down, and with some great views from the top, so I'm really lucky with that. And then going to the trying to get into Glen Loch, and John bravely trying to do the river crossing and finding the wire bridge and going across that, and then finding ourselves in Glen Loch, and that's wow, what a beautiful place. And then today's walk out, such a wild and very seldom human walks, plenty of deer around, human walks, you know. And then Loch at the end of the Glen Loch, and then coming back over the tops. Satisfying end to what's been a great trip. Very similar kind of vibe to the first 2 days and to the second days as well. You know, on the Thursday, me and Ben, we had some great weather window there. A bit windy, but you know, nice and dry. Got some of the views. Got ahead of ourselves, and then on the Friday, the front came in, high winds, heavy rain, bit of adventure. It's a shame that Ben had to go off, but he got an invitation to go install some volcano monitoring apparatus in a Caribbean volcanic island. So this kind of person he is, so you know, I think we can forgive him for leaving us for the next 2 days. And yeah, good old John turned up to go and get those 3 Munros. And again, you know, that first day very windy but sunny. Well, bit of snow thrown at us, a little bit of rain thrown at us, but mainly just a stonking weather to go and see those long distances over to the Cairngorms and really get a sense of the majesty, the rolling mountains that are up in the southern part of the Cairngorms. A good friend of mine, Carla, who comes climbing with us, said, "Why do you do it? What drives you to carry big packs around hills? Well, you know, you could just take a day bag and sleep down and, you know, not have that big weight on your back." Well, there's a lot of reasons, to be honest. Me and John were talking about this last night, and you know, there's the physical challenge. Of course there is. No one runs a marathon because they love running so much they want to run 26 miles. Well, alright then, a few people do, but you know, why did they love it? I think that's the physical challenge, but it's not the physical challenge. I mean, that's part of it. You get to sleep in some absolute beautiful places. Glen Loch, you have to backpack to go and sleep there, and just to find yourself in this remote glen, superb. Getting out of the tent last night to this starscape, beautiful starscape, just fantastic. And again, you can't buy these experiences. But I think John really hit the nail on the head last night when he said it's about the sense of satisfaction you get. You do. There's a great satisfaction about carrying your world on your back, going up into mountainous areas in sort of the harder times of the year, and just being comfortable in that environment. I mean, it is hard. You know, we're not just running around being happy all the time. There is moments of humour and there's moments of joy, but there's moments of real hard, sort of grueling work and real sort of soul-searching decisions to make. You know, you're thinking, you're moving with your body, you're moving with your mind, you're moving with your soul, you're moving with your feet, and that sort of synergy of all that coming together and finding yourself in a place like this, it's just satisfying, and it's a test. As a friend would say, it's character building, and there's nothing, I don't think, finer than that. So anyway, we've got a long journey back, and I want to put some fresh clothes on and go see my wonderful wife and my beautiful dogs, and perhaps have a shower as well. Well, until next time, enjoy your hill time.